In this video, I'm going to explain the hands-on challenge and show you how to set up your Trailhead Playground for the Control Access to Objects unit. This is one of the units in the Data Security Badge. When you're finished with this video, you'll be able to pass this unit with confidence. My name is Jeff Alhaniff. More about me in the description below. Let's get to it. Your company is going through a data cleanup project, and you assigned a consultant to help you. You want the consultant to have read access to most objects, but have edit rights only on accounts, contacts, and leads. You don't want the consultant to delete anything or create new records. Right, so it's hard to overestimate how important Salesforce's built-in security is. At Salesforce, one of the things that we say all the time is that trust is our highest value. And sometimes this gets frustrating because the usability sometimes, if you want to just share something, you can't just share something that you found with a friend of yours or a coworker of yours over like you can if it was a Google Doc. That sharing system doesn't exist. The sharing is super locked down, which provides for the security because we're keeping customer data secure. So as you study to become a Trailhead administrator and use Salesforce for help companies use it, obviously I'm just saying this sounds like a scenario, but it's really important and really beneficial. And from your perspective, it's also important that you can talk to your future employers when they're like, well, why can't we just share that? Because they might be thinking oh, we could just share stuff like a Google Doc. It's important that you're able to articulate to them why we can't, because the system is designed to really have a lot of security built into it. Okay, what we're going to do here is, and I say this in the description, I work for Salesforce. These are my thoughts, though, completely. This is just me. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to clone the minimum access Salesforce profile with the following settings. The user existing profile is minimum access Salesforce. We're going to call it this profile name cleaner. So we're going to clone a profile and then make a call it cleaner. So let me show you that. Okay, so I already cloned the profile, and now you can see name cleaner. And then we're going to control access for the cleaner profile. And we're going to come down to the objects that it has access to. And this is what we're controlling here. So accounts, it's able to read and edit. And then contacts, read and edit. And leads over here, read and edit. Pretty straightforward. Again, keeping this idea and being able to explain it. User license profile. Profiles could be assigned to multiple users. Licenses are purchased from Salesforce. Just keeping all that straight is really helpful. Make sure edit and create objects aren't enabled for any other objects in the cleaner profile. I think I did. Just jump back down here. Right, those are the only ones that are on. Quick text was already here. It has read access, but that's fine because it's not edit and create. Alrighty, that was that one. Let's see if we get some confetti this time.